single phase induction motor. Maybe you all are hear the names, that is the single phase induction motor. So what is the meaning of here the single phase, here is the inductions, and what is the meaning and what do you understand by the motor? These all things is including, and why are you calling only single phase, why not you call this double phase and triple phase? This type of question if you arise in your mind, we can solve in the next time and in further video, and we have discussed today, we will discuss about single phase induction motor in deep. So before moving forwards, if you are thinking that why am I watching this video and what is the main reason of this video and what is the main purpose of this video, let's tell about it. My main purpose of making this video, I want to record myself and just I want to check my English speaking fluency. That's why I am doing it. So single phase means you can only give to motor one wires, one earthings and one is line phase and none other these. And second word here used, inductions. What is the meaning of inductions? When the electricity effects and magnetic or electric effect observed by without touching and without connections of any type of wires, then we can say here is the induction. And the third word here used, motor. So you all are very well known about the motor is also in your homes. That's is a submersible, your fan, your mixing machine, your hand dryer, and also your cooler. These all things are motor. When you see in the inner part of the motor, here is two type of winding mainly. In a single phase, I am not saying that this all type of motor in a single phase. No, it's not true. A different type of motor has a different phase. So what happens when a single phase, then when a single phase in motor, there are two type of winding used. First, running winding, and second, running winding, and second, starting winding. The two type of winding makes your motor. In starting winding, give to outer current from wire, and inner winding, then you can say the running winding. In this winding, no any type of connection during the movements or stopping still, no any type of outer connection to this section. So why you calling this running? Because this is running, and during the running, if you are connecting any type of wire, then your wire will be break. So why is the transfer this type of electricity or magnetic effect from running winding? Because this is the reason of induction. So time is we complete now, and maybe video is so long, so we will meet in the next time. Bye bye and take care. Please be careful.